Quick one on how to buy cryptocurrency on centralized exchange. Click on Bybit. Binance is also a centralized exchange. Gate.io as well. So we'll be using Bybit in this tutorial. Click on this. So now we are on our interface right here. So what you just want to do is just click on more. Before we continue, kindly check in the description below for the registration link if you are just new to Bybit. There are a lot of opportunities that I'll be showing you when it comes to Bybit, centralized exchange, and other centralized exchange as well. So click on the link in the description below for the registration link and go ahead and register. After you have done that, you can come back and continue this video. Once you have done that, you just click on P2p. So after you have successfully clicked on P2p, you can definitely buy any kind of coin that you want right here. You can buy BTC, you can buy Ethereum, you can buy USDC. But in this video, I'll be showing you how to buy a stable USDT coin. So it's on USDT. Now on the interface right here, you can choose your currency. I'm in Nigeria, so here is Naira. Hit on this, you can choose any of your currency below. After you have successfully done that, you check the range of the price you want to buy. Here is buying interface. You can sell as well if you have cryptocurrency in your wallet. So that is that about that. Hit on the buy, and after you have successfully done this, you can click on the range of what you want. If you see this first one, this is 2,000 naira to 10 million naira, and the price difference. I'll be teaching you how you can make money through P2p in no time. So if you enjoy this content, kindly like and subscribe and follow me for more of informative and how to make money on cryptocurrency and every other kind of source. So after you have done that, just hit on this. Now type the amount that you want. So after you have done this, you'll be receiving 174.611 USDT for a sum of 200,000 naira. So after you have done that, you have input the amount of USDT that you want to buy. So you just click on buy, and after you have done that, if you notice, this is 15-minute payment delivery according to the buyer. So after you have done this, you just go ahead and contact the seller, and you could say please no third payment party. Just as you can see, you already told me to pay. After you have done that, you just come over and you check out the account number by clicking on pay now. After you have done this, you can see the account number of this person. After you have made the payment, just click on payment completed. So that is that about that on how to make payment on Bybit on a centralized exchange.